Hello everyone, my Gatsby ever in our paper as we start today's video. Today I want to talk about something that's been on my mind in this year. But this is a SQL video, my task, English task. But I will make that thing in this video. Uh, that that thing is something I believe that many of us, especially programmer, have felt, but don't often say out loud. The thing is, so should we be more ambitious or should we be more taking easy? This is not just a question about productivity, but it's question about life. So let's go to the video. As a developer, we live I live in a world that never sleep. But never sleep because game refreshing, but actually we don't sleep because solving a task or project. The new technology appear every day, the framework, updates, trends, there always something new to learn, and I feel I have to catch up or else. I look around and see people creating startup at 18. Yeah, you can see your friend or maybe your neighbor, they are creating startup startup maybe a little startup, but that startup make they have money, a business that contributing to open source, building side project, publishing article, and then I start asking myself why I am not doing enough, why I am falling behind, and then I join the race, not because I want to, but because I feel I have to, and soon I lose something precious that is named the joy, the reason I start coding in the first place, the reason that we start everything and make it to the first place, the most important. There are silent myths that say if you're not always learning, always building, always shaping, you are wasting time. You have heard that thing. If you're not always learning, always building, always shaping, you are wasting time. But let me ask you this: are you really growing if you are always burned out? Are you truly becoming better if you are constantly anxious, comparing yourself, feeling like you are never enough? Ambition is beautiful, but only when it lifts you up, not when it's you alive. You are not machine. You are not meant to run at 100% all day, every day. You are human. You need rest, you need balance, you need space to breathe, and time to reflect. Let's talk about the other side, the taking it easy. Now, some people hear that and think it means giving up. But taking easy, it's not always meaning giving up. That's not true. Taking easy means respecting your own space. respecting your own pace. Pace. It means choosing deep understanding over shallow hustle. It means walking instead of sprinting because you want the journey to last. To last. Uh, some of the best ideas don't come when you are working non-stop. They will come during a walk, uh, or a nap, or a moment of silence. Real creativity needs room. Real growth needs patience. So if you have been going slow lately, don't be ashamed. That might just be your greatest strength. So, should we be ambitious or not? That brings us to the question: should we be ambitious or take it easy? And the answer is not one or the other. The answer is the answer is both. We can be ambitious and we can take it easy. Be ambitious is having a dream, set goals, push boundaries, but also be kind to yourself. Knowing that your worth is not defined by your productivity, and knowing that it's okay to pause. Progress is not always visible. Sometimes the biggest growth happens in silence. You don't have to be a super developer that don't sleep every day, every night. You just have to be you, growing, learning, and living. And you are not behind. If you have ever felt like you are behind, let me tell you something. You are not. You are not behind, and you are just on a different path. Your timeline is your own. Maybe you took a break, maybe you need a time to heal, and maybe you just family, faith, or simply peace over pressure. And that's okay. That's not a problem. Growth is not always loud. Success doesn't always come with a LinkedIn post. Sometimes success looks like quietly showing up, one line of code at a time, one bug fix, and one step forward. And then in the last part of this video, we can redefining the success. So what is success? Is it a fancy job title, or is a six-figure salary, or a viral GitHub repo, or is it waking up and still loving what you do? Still curious, still willing to try, and still choosing to keep going, no matter how slow. Maybe success is not found in speed, but in sustainability. In building a life where code is not a burden, but a craft, a joy, a language to express something deep inside of you. So to every developer watching this, or my audience, my subscriber that watching this video, whether you are in high school, college, bootcamp, or working a job, whether you are building your 10th app or debugging your first hello world, you must know this. You don't have to prove yourself to anyone. You are already enough. The fact that you care, that you are here, learning, reflecting, trying, that what's the matter. Be ambitious, but don't forget to breathe. Take it easy, but don't stop dreaming. Because in the end, life is not a race; it's a story, and you are the author. Keep coding and keep breathing. Keep trying to be a better from you now. And don't forget to take a rest and keep living. See you in the next video, and may the odds be ever in our favor.